is Cecil B. Moneygetter, host of Money Talks, a new financial news upload that is laser focused on digital finance, cryptocurrencies, robotics, electric vehicles, stocks, the cannabis industry, and much, much more. Tune in and join us every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern on our Information Meets Execution YouTube channel as we bring you financial news uploads, one trending topic at a time. And don't forget to stay listening, because money talks.
Good evening. Today is Friday, September 27th, and you're watching Money Talks with Cecil B. Moneygetter. First up, in fashion news, we have Nike coming hard with the Air Force 3 revealed in a banging third colorway right in time for fall. Now, after tracking the story in leaks and previews for more than a year, Nike Nego is shaping up to dominate headlines for the rest of 2024 with a public release of their first collab capsule set for September 28th. An additional colorway just hit the newswire that taps into a much different aesthetic than the pop art retro style of the Air Force 3s we've seen thus far, where both the Blue Void and multicolored editions both capitalize on primary shaded vibrant palettes. This one pulls a full 180 for much more neutrally toned fare. A true gum sole and select stripes of burnt orange communicate that idea in the margins, but the true embrace comes with a base of cream and brown on the under and overlays, likely pointing to a more limited release. Either of those sections carries some major hardware intrigue. The foundation in cream carries true fur material, while the leather panels up top execute an embossed mix of block lettering and simple geometric patterns. It's clear whether this pair of Nike Nego Air Force 3 is a F and F colorway or just one that hasn't been officially tipped off just yet. Regardless, with the human-made head and swoosh both promising further product down the line, this new shoe provides valuable information as to what their future output may look like. Get in the comments and let me know what you think and how you feel. And next up in trending news, inflation data guarantees the Fed's interest rate call. Federal Reserve's preferred measure of inflation, the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, grew less than economists expected in August at 2.2% year over year. The data comes on the heels of the Federal Reserve's 0.5% interest rate cut issued September 18th, the first in more than 4 years. Now, the inflation data supports another 0.5% interest rate cut in November, RSM US LLP chief economist Joseph Brosselli said in a Friday tweet. This is what an economic expansion looks like at full employment, he said. The S&P 500 traded at an all-time high above the 5,700 level this week. Now, the director of the National Economic Council and former Federal Reserve Board member spoke in favor of the Biden administration's proposed ban on Chinese electric vehicles Monday at the Detroit Economic Club. The same day details of the proposal were released. The U.S. Commerce Department aims to block the import and sale of Chinese-made vehicles with key communications and automated driving systems on the basis of national security concerns. Additionally, a 100% tariff on Chinese electric vehicles imposed by the Biden administration took effect Friday. We will not allow cars driving on U.S. roads if they are using Chinese software and hardware systems, Brainerd told the DEC. We think this is very important from a national security point of view. Now, Facebook parent company Meta Platforms Inc. announced its latest Quest 3S virtual reality headset at the Meta Connect 2024 conference Wednesday, along with updates to its Llama artificial intelligence platform and Ray-Ban smart glasses. CEO Mark Zuckerberg introduced a prototype for Orient Meta's holographic augmented reality glasses. This isn't pass-through, this is physical world with holograms laid on it, Zuckerberg said. Get in the comments and let me know what you think and how you feel. And up next, in electric vehicle news, J.B. Hunt adds 20 new Nikola EV semis with their mind on taking over the trucking industry for good. J.B. Hunt Transportation Services, Inc. shares are trading slightly higher on Friday following the announcement of the addition of 20 Nikola Corporation TRE fuel cell electric vehicles to enhance sustainability solutions for customers with freight needs along the West Coast. The Nikola FCEVs will complement the more than 200 alternative power vehicles that J.B. Hunt currently operates for its customers, including battery electric, hydrogen electric, and renewable natural gas rigs. Zero-emission vehicles such as these will help along the path to generate viable, sustainable options that help customers advance their efforts to reduce carbon emissions, said Greer Woodruff, Executive Vice President of Safety, Sustainability, and Maintenance at J.B. Hunt. Nikola will provide fueling and infrastructure support through its HYLA brand. According to Benzinga Pro, Nikola stock has lost over 90% in the past year. Earlier in 2023, J.B. Hunt acquired 3 Nikola FCEVs that are now supporting dedicated customer operations. Recently, the company launched a pilot program with clean energy featuring the new Cummins X15N engine, which represents the latest advancements in RNG-powered vehicles. Additionally, J.B. Hunt has helped customers like Daimler Truck North America and Electrolux incorporate alternative power vehicles into their operations. According to Benzinga Pro, J.B. Hunt stock has lost over 6% in the past year. Investors can gain exposure to the stock via Vesper U.S. Large Cap Short Term Reversal Strategy ETF and iShares Trust iShares U.S. Transportation ETF. Now, price action. J.B. Hunt shares are trading higher by 1.25% to $173.65 at last checked Friday. Nikola shares were up 2.39% to $4.28. Get in the comments and let me know what you think and how you feel.
On our Information Meets Execution YouTube channel. You can also check out the 734 Listening Library YouTube channel for self-help shorts and audiobooks. Follow us on Instagram at 734 Miscellaneous LLC to continue our journey of growth and success together. I'll see you at the top. Holla.